So we will continue with algae part 2, and here we'll discuss the economic importance of green algae. Alva, Coleopa, Enteromorpha are used as food resource. Chlorella, Coleopa used as a source of antibiotic. Chlorella, Chlamydomonas carry out oxidation of sewage in sewage pond. See, we have also seen that certain bacteria are used in the oxidation of sewage, but here certain algae are also used because they are able to do the oxygenation. Okay, and oxygenation is required for the breakdown of the organic matter which is present in the sewage. Okay. So chlorella is used in the prolonged space flight for generation of oxygen and food, and for utilization of carbon dioxide and excreting waste. So this is what is the importance. Now we will see brown algae. Brown algae are called Phaeophyceae, and some of the brown algae form the massive seaweed called kelp. So they form a long structure which is called kelp. Laminaria reaches up to 2 to 9 meter in length. Nerocystis and Macrocystis. Nerocystis 45 meter in length, and Microcystis, which is Macrocystis, which is up to 60 to 90 meters. Okay, this is the largest brown algae known. The cell wall consists of phycocaloid. Phycocaloid, again, it is made up of alginic acid and fucinic acid. It is a kind of polysaccharide, especially present in the outer layer of cell wall, and this prevents the algae from drying and freezing in winter. It also protects the cell from injury. Now, if you look at the economic importance, so sargassum is a kind of brown algae which is used as a source of food, fodder, and fertilizer. Sarganine is the something which is derived from the, is a kind of, you can say, extract which is derived from the Sargassum natans, and is antibacterial and antifungal extract. Laminaria used as a source of iodine and potassium. Then sodium laminarium sulfate, which is obtained from laminaria, is used as blood coagulant. Fucus is used as a fodder, fertilizer, and source of algae. So this is how they are economic importance to us. Now we will discuss few more are there. Microcystis used as a food and fertilizer. It is rich in potash, so used as fertilizer. Laminaria saccharina, it is rich in carbohydrate and used as feed. Alaria consumed as food in Japan. Nerocystis used as fertilizer. Then red algae. Now some of the red algae are called Caroline algae as they secrete calcium carbonate inside their cell wall. They grow as a crust over and between the fragments and gap in coral reef and cement the coral bricks together. So here we know that corals are basically found under the group of animals, and we have seen their symbiotic association with zooxanthellid, which were the kind of dinoflagellates, and here red algae also plays role in cementing the corals. So the kind of colors that you see in the coral is combination of all these associations. The red algae are found deep in the ocean as they can absorb blue light as the light of longer wavelength. Blue light as the light of longer wavelength, they can't reach the depth. Okay, so they have parasitic form also. Now if you look at the economic importance, Porphyra rhodymania are used as a food in China and Japan, and also as a fodder. Gracilaria, Gelidium, Polyspora, they are all agar yielding, you can say, red algae. Now, what is agar? Agar is again a kind of polysaccharide, and it is used as solidifying agent in culture medium in laboratory to grow the bacteria. It is also used, the agar is also used in making of jellies, pudding, bakeries. Okay. And polysiphonia possesses antibacterial properties. Corn drugs, Crypus, L-carrageenan. Now, carrageenan is again used as is a kind of chemical, again polysaccharide, and used as clearing agent in liquors and leather finishing. It is also used as emulsifier in chocolate, ice cream, toothpaste, and paints. Carolina has medicinal value since it consists of calcium carbonate. Gloipaltis, from this Funori, a glue is derived or obtained, and it is used as adhesive and in sizing textile papers, etc. Rhodomela polysiphonia are used to obtain the bromine. Phycocolloid. Now, what is phycocolloid? Now, you have seen this phycocolloid terms both in brown algae and red algae. Is actually consist of certain polysaccharides, and this is found in brown algae, as you have seen, in the upper layer of cell wall, also in the red algae, but usually present in the algae from which you can derive the agar. Blue-green algae, you have come across to this term blue-green algae. Actually, they are not algae, they are cyanobacteria, but initially when the bacteria were not classified, so they have grouped all the photosynthetic organism into one group. So from that the common name blue-green algae have come. Similarly, golden brown algae, they are actually protists called diatoms, and they are also not algae. Mushroom, we often call it as non-green plant. Actually, they are not plants, they are fungus. Okay. So next we will see bryophytes and pteridophytes. Thank you.